Can we trust the biblical account of Noah's Ark? When did Noah's flood occur? What was Noah's relationship with God and mankind like? Should we apply Noah's beliefs and lifestyle to our own? Did Noah do anything to try to stop the flood? Did he have time to warn the people? Was God cruel for sending the flood? If so, why? Has Noah's Ark been discovered? Many have claimed to have found the ark, but is it true? How scripturally accurate are the TV Bible documentaries on the History Channel's Discovery Channels and other networks about Noah? What about the recent films about Noah's Ark starring Jon Voight from 1999? Russell Crowe from 2014? And David Threlfall from 2016? How scripturally accurate are those movies about Noah? Get the answers to these questions and more by checking out my ministry website, www.defendingthebible.com. Also, check out my biographies of the Bible classes for churches and faith-based schools, which includes biblical archaeology, animation, pop culture witnessing tools, and more.